This is Nate Peterson with my enhancement number 4 video overview, and we'll just go ahead and get started, and we'll go over this video in the order that the bullet points in the objective 6 requirements are listed. So we'll start off that it wants us to go to the products folder to show that the product management file comes up properly without typing in any other file name, so it just references the controller properly. So we'll go products / and products, typing in products into the URL takes us to the product management page as expected. While we're here in this new view, we'll just go ahead and validate local CSS. Local CSS validates with a green bar, no errors, and validate HTML. HTML validates green bar, no errors. That's what we want. And with this view, it's also going to take us to either the add new category page or the add new product page, and this is supposed to be referencing the controller with the key value pair, and we click on add new category, and as you can see in the URL bar we have a key value pair of action equals category info.gather, and that takes us, references the index controller. And here on this new page, the first thing we'll do is do the validation. Validate local CSS, green bar validation means no errors, and validate HTML. HTML validation gives us a green bar with no errors. It's perfect. And with this new category page, we want to show that the error message occurs if we leave an empty category name, and we'll just click on add category, and our error message appears there with a please provide a category name. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll provide a category name of test and hit the add category, and add category button, and it is correct. It takes us back to our product management page, and as you can see, the test link is now added to the main navigation. And just for fun, we'll check the database to make sure, and there we have our test product, or category name, excuse me. Okay, so we added a new category, and then we need to add a new product. So in the product page, add new product page, we have again our dynamic navigation with the new test link, as is expected. We also have the category drop-down select box that is dynamically generated from the database with our test category name that we just added, so you can see that that's dynamically generated. And so with this, let's just make sure our error message appears properly. We'll click add new product with nothing, and it gives us an error message to please provide all the requested information. So that is what we want to see. Oh, secondly, we need to validate here. We forgot to do that. So we'll validate CSS, and CSS validation gives us a green bar, no errors, and validate HTML, and HTML validation gives us a green bar with no errors. That's exactly what we want to see. So let's go ahead and add a new product to make sure this add product functionality works. We'll select a category ID or a category name, and we'll select the category test, and we'll say product name is handheld bomb, and the product description will be a bomb that you hold in your hand. And we have product image hard-coded with the noimage.png file. Same for the thumbnail, leave those hard-coded there. And the product price we'll say is $100. We have a stock of 100 on hand, and the product size we'll say 5. Product weight is 5. Product location we'll say Ogden, Utah is the location of this product, and the vendor we'll say is Acme, and the product style is unknown. Great. So this is our product, handheld bomb with a category of test, and we'll click add new product. And it says, gives us a message that says handheld bomb was successfully added. So let's just check the database to make sure, and we have our inventory, and there we have our handheld bomb with all the items that we specified as attributes of the handheld bomb. And we validated HTML and CSS for all 3 views, and all that should fulfill the requirements of Enhancement 4. And with that, thank you for viewing, and we'll talk to you later.